everybody, welcome to another video of the SHAK experience, where idiots are us. And I will say I am an idiot today because I'm going to be filming while I'm driving. Yeah, really shouldn't be, but I am. And today, actually starting last night and today, we were to get an ice storm. And actually, where I work at in Altoona, it's actually not that bad right now, at least judging from just walking out into the car. It's raining, it's wet, but it's not slippery or anything. But, and there's a but here, because I live up the mountain in Gallitzin, so even though that's like a 20-minute drive normally, it's probably going to take me a little more than that to get there, because I know once I start going up that mountain, it's probably the ice will show itself. So so I figured, at least I thought, and this is me being an idiot as usual, that I would film me driving up the mountain and see what happens when I'm driving, you know, if I'm slipping and sliding or whatever, just to be an idiot, because I'm an idiot. So, well, here we go. Gotta love it. Okay. Let's do this. Oh, I guess I should put my windshield wipers on. It is raining after all. Gotta be able to see. Like I said, right now, Altoona, it's wet out. Don't seem to be too slippy. At least not yet. At least I haven't seen any spots yet of ice. Just rain and wetness. Gotta love red lights. Sometimes red lights takes forever too. You can probably hear in the background the rain starting to get a little more rainy. I don't know if that's a good thing or a bad thing, but I guess we'll soon find out, won't we? Another red light, yay! Oh, this one didn't last long. Alright. So far, the road's not that bad, just wet and rainy. I'm starting to think that the weatherman might have been a little wrong about how intense this ice storm was supposed to be, because the road's just wet and it's raining. But then again, we're going to be heading up the mountain here shortly. I'm heading to Sugar Run Road that leads right up into Gallitzin where I live, so we'll see how that goes as I traverse that road. See what happens. Well, I just did a zigzag here back there. I was expecting to slip a little bit, but I did. And we are now on Sugar Run Road and heading up the mountain. So, we'll see how it goes as we get closer. And like I said, I'm an idiot for doing this. But that's what Idiots Are Us is all about, right? You can definitely tell that they saw these roads probably sometime last night, which is good. So if there is any ice, hopefully it's pretty much melted. But so far, it just seems like a normal rainy morning. So far. Oh yeah, and just so that I'm being safety cautious, just so you know, I am driving slow. Like, not going as fast as you normally would on this road. Because well, I'm an idiot, but I'm not that big of an idiot. I'm not going to fly on this road, so I go past the guardrail and, you know, fly to my noob. Just thought I'd throw that in there. Just raindrops hitting my windshield are sounding a little more heavier than just rain. So heading up the mountain, and I'm starting to see some ice on the tree limbs and grass and weeds and stuff here that's on the side of the road. So it just may be really icy when I get up the top of the mountain here. And if that's the case, it's just hope the roads in Galitzin are pretty decent enough where I can actually drive and not be like slipping and sliding, or I can even go up the little hill that's right there to get to my house. Slow down a little bit more just to be safe. Definitely looking a little bit more icy in the grass and the trees as I'm going up. But still, so far, I'm not slipping and sliding on the road, so that's a good thing. I'm going to flip the camera around here a little bit so you can kind of see what I'm seeing. I don't know how well you can see it on the camera, but the ice and stuff on the sides here, the weeds and the trees. But trust me, if you can't see it, trust me, I can. It's definitely there. Almost to the top here. I'd say in a couple minutes I'll be at the top of the Sugar Run, turning right into Galitzin. So Galitzin is pretty well known for its crappy weather compared to other places. So we'll see how this goes. Oh yeah. Oh, I'm still not slipping, but I can kind of see ice on the road here. Yeah. But you can still tell they salted it, so probably a good thing. Alright, top is just right here, so I'm going to flip the camera around again so you can see what the Galitzin looks like. I'm really hoping you can see the ice on these tree limbs, but with the camera I'm not sure. Ooh, there's a tree down there with it. Yay! Wintertime! Still not really slipping on the road, so that's good. But like I said, you can definitely see the ice on the trees. Slowing it down even more since we're here at the top. Because a lot of times there's a lot of roads in Galitzin that don't get plowed right away. So a little slushy. But then again, this is one of the main roads, so it should be salted. But yeah. Still not bad, but we'll see. Time to make a turn. See how this goes. Okay. Still wasn't too bad there, but I see some ice here. I don't know if you can see it that well as I can, because I don't know if these windshield wipers are throwing the view out of focus or what, but going downhill. So far so good, still got some traction, so. Now after we're making a turn here, it goes up a couple of side roads to where I live, so we'll see how that is, if, you know, they're decent. Because this, yeah, right here you can tell that they really salted the crap out of this. So that's a good thing there. So, here we go. Moment of truth. Woo! Woo, yeah! Yeah, there you go. Starting to lose some traction there. Slid a little bit there. Oh yeah, this road looks like it hasn't really been touched that much. A little bit of tire tracks, you can see there. But here comes the turn. Last year I could never get up this place right here because of the ice, but then again I didn't have this Envoy then, but we'll see. Come on. Come on. Ooh. Ah, just hit some ice. I'm slipping a little bit here. Not as much as I thought I would be. Alright. My goodness. Woo! Slipped into the driveway. Oh yeah, there's some slipping and sliding. Woo! Woo! Well, made it home. A little bit of slipping and sliding, so give props to all the emergency people out making sure that it's not too bad. And it's still raining like crazy, so it's probably still freezing on the ground. But I made it. And boy, can I see the trees here in the yard and stuff there. Yeah, they're covered in ice. So, give me a second here to get out of the car, get my work stuff out, and I'll probably get some wet, but I'll show you what I mean about the ice on the trees. Yeah, you can definitely tell this is a little bit more than rain coming down. There's definitely some ice mixed with it. I don't know how well you can tell with the focusing. Oh, there we go. You can kind of see it a little bit there on the Envoy. You can see there's some ice there coming. Whew. Yeah. Yeah, see the grass is icy and oh god, that's cold. Yeah, definitely ice up here, the trees, the ground. Yeah. Well, in spite of the freezing rain coming down and everything and the ice, at least I made it home okay. Minor slips. However, all you other people out there that plan on traveling today, please be careful. Drive slow, and if you see people driving like maniacs, don't pay any attention to them, just you drive slow. But I'm gonna go inside now before I turn into an ice statue here. As always, if you like my video, don't forget to give me a like and a subscribe and hit that notification bell for future videos, and I'll see you all in the next one. Hopefully, if I don't turn into Frosty the Snowman. So, bye!